Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to disable ad blocker in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, you'll notice there are actually two different methods you can use to disable your ad blocker depending on how it's set up. Let me walk you through both approaches so you can choose the one that applies to your situation. The first method is for those of you who are using a Chrome extension as your ad blocker. This is the most common setup, so there's a good chance this is what you'll need. Look to the upper right corner of your browser window and click on the three dots icon. This opens Chrome's main menu. Once the menu appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. This will expand a submenu where you'll want to click on Manage Extensions. This takes you to a page that displays all the extensions currently installed in your browser. From here, scroll through the list and find your ad blocker extension. It might be called something like Adblock, uBlock Origin, or another similar name. Once you've located it, click the Remove button next to that extension. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to remove it. Go ahead and click Remove again to confirm. This completely uninstalls the ad blocker extension from your browser, allowing all ads to display normally. Now let's move on to the second method. This approach is for disabling Chrome's built-in ad blocking feature, which targets intrusive or annoying ads. To access this, click on the three dots in the upper right corner again, then click on Settings from the drop-down menu. This opens Chrome's main settings page. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Privacy and Security to access all the privacy-related options. From there, scroll down and click on Site Settings. This section controls how websites can interact with your browser. Now look for and click on Additional Content Settings to expand more options. Within this section, you'll find an option called Intrusive Ads. Click on it to open the Intrusive Ads settings page. Here, you'll see different radio button options that control how Chrome handles ads. Click the radio button next to any site you visit can show any ad to you. By selecting this option, you're telling Chrome to allow all ads, even the ones it considers intrusive or disruptive. This effectively disables Chrome's built-in ad blocking feature. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the ad blocker in Chrome using either the extension removal method or Chrome's built-in settings. All websites will now be able to display ads without any restrictions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.